Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fredrik Löfgren Eriksson. I've been an art teacher for 25 years and also worked as a freelance artist for the last 10 years. The last paintings I've been working on is in a slightly different style, and people have asked me how I painted them. So in this video I will try to summarize my process. I only use 5 different brushes in the entire painting. The exact brushes I use is of no importance. You simply use the brushes you like. The important thing is that you have the following. 1 brush for the sketching, like a pencil or a technical pen. 1 brush for the basic painting, like a flat brush or a round brush. And 3 brushes with textures you really like. These brushes can be oil brushes or something more artistic. Now, the first thing I do when starting a new painting is to change the background color. I usually choose a color from the middle spectrum, like a gray, but this time I choose a very light color. When the sketch is finished, I make a new layer and start to block in the colors in the new layer. I make this very quick with a flat brush, and I don't care if the colors bleed into each other. When the entire painting is covered in paint, I duplicate the color layer to make the colors more opaque. Now the fun part begins. I now start to paint in the details with the 3 texture brushes. But the important part here is that I do it in the same layer where the colors are. So every brush stroke blends in nicely with the colors already there. So you get the same feeling as when you paint an oil painting on a canvas. On one of my textured brushes I have changed the color dynamics settings. This gives me a small randomness in my brush strokes, so the colors don't become so flat. To create a strong focal point in this dragon painting, I decided that the warm light would focus on the dragon's head, with strong contrasts. The rest of the painting would have cooler colors and less contrasts. This is perhaps one of the most important things to have in mind during the entire process. When the entire painting has been painted with the textured brushes, the painting is finished for now. Put it away for a day and look at it with fresh eyes the next day to see if you should make some small changes. Thank you very much for watching.